I'm reviewing the Nomatic messenger bag and giving a brief how to fill up the bag. So this is my third Nomatic bag. I have the Nomatic travel pack, the messenger, and the backpack. So just giving a upfront look, there's a RFID lockable pocket. So here just putting my passport as well as my wallet in there, and then using a combination lock to go ahead and lock up the actual pocket. Goes in there fairly quick. The zipper's locked together. I'm going to go ahead and put in here my Google Pixel Buds. I'll note the orientation I'm putting in there. So cables, my USB-C, and there's my 45-watt charger. You can put some pins in there as well. You do want to note that it just opened up the actual laptop bag, so it's some of the pockets are a little rigid. So here, putting in a USB-C and and wireless Qi charger into the bag here, so you can route the cable. So what you'll note here is you have to look, that very little slit there is where you can route the cable in, and you'll see here in just a minute. But as you see, I'm pushing that through here. What I'm thinking is going through to the actual the compartment behind it, the very large pocket. But as you see, as you open it up, it's a full open zipper here, so it'll go all the way down to the bottom. As you see, there's no cable. It's actually gone behind the pocket. So I'm going to fast forward. Actually, just do a quick little fast forward of routing it properly through here, and you'll see here is that you actually have the little quick access pocket here on the top. It's a little tight fit, but you can actually get things in here. So here's another little mesh pocket here where I put some USB drives. Next up, gonna put sunglasses in here. So there's a built-in sunglass case, as most of the other Nomatic products. I'm gonna be putting in here mouse. There's a magic mouse here, and this is the little hidden compartment here where you have a retractable key leash in there. So I'm snapping some keys on in there. And there it goes, it retracts back on its own. Didn't have a manila envelope, but I'm going to put in a notebook here in one of the mesh pockets, and in the little letter pocket here on the back, I'm just going to put in a little priority mail envelope for the U.S. Postal Service. Then going to zip it back up, goes all the way back up to the top, as well as the other ones that I didn't get to just then. I'm gonna then spin it around here, and the laptop compartment and the tablet compartments on the back, and that it does also fold flat. So just gonna go in here, and I'm gonna put in an iPad here in the tablet pocket. Be careful as well with that. So even though it stands up on its own, it does fold. It does like kind of like flop over. So have that pocket here. Don't close that back up, but in the little letter compartment, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just going to put it my laptop keyboard. It is a little rigid right here. So as you see, I'm trying to put in my Pixel book here in the laptop pocket. The Pixel book pen gets a little caught in there, so you may have to pull it a little bit, and it securely goes back with the little snap, and then zipping it back up. As you can see here, that's where you can get it on a carry-on compartment. I'm just spinning around, so that's with everything that I need to carry for the day in the messenger in the messenger bag. So here, going to use the magnetic pocket. So here, I'm just going to put in a water bottle, and then on the other side, I'm going to put in a travel umbrella. As you see, they go in there fairly quickly. And next up are the magnetic buckles. So as you see, they literally just snap on here very quickly and no problems whatsoever. And I actually took them off earlier, and they're kind of very hard to take off. So this is what it looks like as you have the laptop on. And some people have some questions on the other compartment, and I was able to get in my Nikkon D3400 just fine.